Good afternoon, everyone. Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor here. I wanted to make a quick video. A lot of the questions, a lot of the concerns, and a lot of the deals being passed up because they don't have a title. Look, not having a title for a mobile home is and can be a big deal, but it can also be solved. And when you know the process and how to go out and get a title, maybe a bond title or a title replacement, those deals will actually be that much better off of a deal because it's more negotiating. Look, what I want to target is people that are having issues. This could be investors, realtors, brokers. It does not matter. If you have a mobile home that you need to sell or want to buy, but there's no title somewhere in there, discrepancies, somebody lost it, I can help you with that. We can teach you how to verify a VIN inside of a mobile home. Remember, mobile homes are personal property, very much like a vehicle, if you will, a car, boat, motorcycle, you name it. They have a VIN number as a verified serial number that you need to first get so that you can do the second form and move forward to go on and get a bond title, title replacement, or just apply for a title in general. Visit my site, GarciaMHU.com. We can walk you step by step, or we do have recordings on this we can share with you where it talks about step by step how to go out and verify. You'll need to call the local police department to come out and help you with that as well. Seems like a lot of steps. Do not let it overwhelm you. It can be done, and you can get those deals. Thank you for watching.